So how do you sound like a combine? Well, this tutorial should...
The National Weather Service in Elkhart, Indiana, has issued a tornado watch for the following counties: Elkhart, Chicago, and South Bend. Instructions apply. Go indoors, have a weather radio with you for further updates, hide somewhere with protection, go into an area in your house that has no windows, collect batteries for radios, and go to the lowest level in your local home or building. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch in your area. Take cover now. The storm conditions are right to produce a tornado. Stay indoors.